At a time when the delivery of 36 Rafale fighter jets to the Indian Air Force are all set to be completed by April 2022, China has started pushing for the sale of J-10C fighter jets to Pakistan as a counter-acquisition to the Indian Rafale fighters. Reports indicate that Pakistan Air Force is now actively considering the purchase of J-10C fighters that will be powered by Chinese WS-10 engines, as it will ease the pressure on its aging fleet of F-16 fighters. Pakistan sees slim chances of acquiring used F-16 from other countries, as it will require approval from the United States government, and majority of Pakistan's F-16 fleet might be forced to retire at the turn of this decade, as its relationship with the United States continues to deteriorate further. According to latest information, the DRDO is all set to test the AD-1 and AD-2 new interceptor missiles of the BMD Phase-2 program in the next few weeks. The AD-1 will be a truck and ship-based mobile defense interceptor missile that will protect high-value regions against very short-range and cruise missile with a range of 1,500 kilometers in the Indo-atmospheric region, while the AD-2 interceptor missile will provide protection against short and medium-range ballistic missiles with a range of 3,000 kilometers in exo-atmospheric region. India and Russia have discussed new ways to increase bilateral engagement and explore joint defense projects in the Central Asia region. Countries like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan use Russian defense equipment, and the Indo-Russian joint defense production in some of the existing defense factories in these Central Asian countries can meet local demands as well as Indian requirements. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has laid the foundation stone for a defense technology and test center in Lucknow in the state of UP that will accelerate the growth of the defense and aerospace manufacturing clusters in the state. He also laid the foundation stone for a Brahmos manufacturing center that will be established by the DRDO. The Brahmos Manufacturing Center will produce the Brahmos next-generation cruise missile variant that is currently under development, which also has a big export potential. This facility will start production at a rate of 100 Brahmos NG missiles per year, and this project will create 5,500 fresh job opportunities, while the ancillary supply chain would create an additional employment for 10,000 people. Officials have said that the Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army have started getting the latest equipment to build tunnels for ammunition storage for the Indian Army and Indian Air Force in a major way, and nuclear-hardened facilities are also being developed in forward areas to further enhance the capabilities. The Indian Space Research Organisation has postponed the launch of 3 Earth observation satellites that were initially planned to be launched in the third and fourth quarters of 2021, and they have now been scheduled for the first quarter of 2022. An Indian Navy ship has delivered 500 tons of food, 2 fast interceptor craft and other self-defense equipment to Mozambique to assist in the capacity building of the Central African nation, and this was done under the 8th edition of Mission Saga by the Indian Navy to assist friendly foreign countries in the region.